Today is September 9th, last day of this week. We are running an MBI schedule today. This is the first Friday that we're running an MBI schedule, but it's not the last, as we're moving to an MBI schedule for a full week next week. So your do now is a little bit different. We haven't done this before, but we're getting ready to do some labs, and I want to see if you can start picking out things you need to look for to determine if something's a physical change or a chemical change. So you're going to make two checklists. You're going to create a checklist for physical changes, and you're going to create a checklist for chemical changes. And basically what's going to happen is that when you have your notebook and you're looking at your notebook, referring to materials, and doing the labs, I want you to be able to look at your list and say, okay, does this count as a physical change, or does this count or qualify as a chemical change? And you'll use your checklist that you create to help you make these determinations. And since I was out the day before, then really today is a lot about making sure that everyone is caught up. So I won't introduce anything new. We are, again, meeting in room 705. And so those of you that need to make up tests will make up those tests today. We're going to make sure that we finish page 40 on properties and changes, but the last 10 minutes of class we're going over this paper because I want to make sure you have the right materials to review before Monday's quiz. And then you'll continue working on the changes in the law. If you did not finish that, there was some confusion with section number 5. So in class I have drawn some images on the board to help make sense of that. And then of course we're going to finish that states of matter and that properties, the two pennants. And then if there's time, which I'm not sure that there will be with everything that we have, then you can work on your Canvas recovery, again, which is due on September 16th. But the game plan is to finish all your work in class today. However, if you do not finish it in class, then just know that your homework this weekend is whatever you didn't finish in class today. And again, make sure you're studying this weekend for the quiz, because we have a quiz due on Monday. And that is your agenda for today.